At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a one-person business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Idea generation. Brainstorm ideas for your business. Consider your skills, passions, and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Your business idea should align with these. 2. Market research. Once you have a business idea, research the market to determine its viability. Who are your potential customers? Is there demand for your product or service? What are your competitors doing? 3. Create a business plan. Develop a business plan outlining your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. Even for a one-person business, having a roadmap can be invaluable. 4. Choose a business structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business. Options include sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, etc. A sole proprietorship is the simplest form, where you are the sole owner and operator. 5. Register your business. Depending on your location and business structure, you may need to register your business with the appropriate government authorities. This typically involves registering your business name and obtaining any necessary licenses or permits. 6. Set up your finances. Open a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. Consider hiring an accountant or using accounting software to manage your finances and track income and expenses. 7. Build your brand. Develop a strong brand identity, including a memorable business name, logo, and website. Your brand should reflect the values and personality of your business. 8. Market your business. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers to your business. This may include creating a website, using social media, networking, and advertising. 9. Set up your workspace. Create a dedicated workspace for your business, whether it's a home office, co-working space, or rented office. Make sure you have all the necessary equipment and tools to run your business efficiently. 10. Launch your business. Once everything is in place, launch your business. Start offering your product or service to customers and focus on providing excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Remember, starting a business can be challenging, but with determination, hard work, and a solid plan, you can build a successful one-person business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.